Hi everybody, welcome back to Riders in the Storm. This is Patty and I'm Steve, and this is a great channel where you can still watch all of our vlogs, all of our videos without commercial interruption.
That's a nice way of saying we don't have enough subscribers yet.
Okay, well, yeah.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.
Well, them grandbabies are coming down from Denver area, so you know they're going to want to eat and swim and eat. It was wonderful seeing them down here. Hey, and Rowan wanted y'all to know that burgers and beer was Rowan approved. And so, because of his great review, gave him a free horsey ride, which nobody had $1, so he couldn't ride. Anyway, this is us in Scottsdale, Arizona. Stop that. I tried to get those guys to stop that.
That'll be great on my YouTube channel. I'll call it the Squeeze Vlog.
Frame that.
This is us arriving at Viewpoint Golf Resort, one of our favorite parks. This place is absolutely tremendous and huge. Staff is really super friendly here, but this probably is one of the largest RV parks in the Mesa, Phoenix, Arizona area. And this is us arriving at that guy right there is a security guard. He's getting us over into our site. And you would be amazed at how many cars can be stuck into a site for a little party. It was pretty funny. Anyway, we want to go right straight into our speed test. When we got here, we just put our dishy on top of the roof, and it did not work, and we did not panic. We just plugged everything in, and we drove away. Took care of some other business, and came back a little bit later, and this is pretty much what we got and what we've had ever since. So roaming is fantastic with Starlink as far as we can tell. You just we don't look for any special address. We just put it up on the where we're going to put it and leave it there and go finish hooking up, and sure enough it did just exactly what we see there in the animation. It finds the signal, and this is our outages that we've had some booting there for 44 seconds, but other than that it's been absolutely fantastic. That's roaming, guys. Plug and play, plug and play. We love it. Okay, I think I did mention that when we first got Starlink, there was 3 of us that picked it up down at the Christian Center in Winter Haven, California, on the exact same day, at the exact same time. And one of them is our coach, our new friends that I go where I'm towed, who has had some challenges with Starlink, but also has some good thoughts and ideas. And one of them what he thinks is going on is the ability to plug and play kind of comes once you leave your set location, your address that you have with Starlink. And once you go on the road, it'll automatically go into roaming. It's not some kind of feature. We haven't proven this, but it's not some kind of feature that you have to turn on. You basically change your location, go set up, and the Starlink system will notice that you're no longer in the same place or your home address, and it moves. It'll adjust to that. That's what we're thinking. That's why we're calling this episode Plug and Play. Hope that information helps. If you're finding otherwise, please make a mention down in the comments, and we'll see you again on the next vlog. This part that's you're seeing now that's starting to come up is the rodeo. When we got to Cave Creek, Arizona, we got there on their the rodeo they have the parade they have right before the rodeo, and there was quite a few people here. And the other thing we noticed about Cave Creek was some really nice restaurants all over the place. They turned it into like an old western town. Enjoy this. Pray through the bugs on the windshield. And like I said, if we knew that we were going to run into this, we probably would have cleaned it up really well so we could get some good video footage. Thanks for watching, guys.